hours creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, I'm Afreen and welcome back to my channel. I'm again here with my another video which is on how you can get rid of suntan, and it's a very irritating problem of course. And firstly I will tell you guys, कोई भी ऐसी रेमेडी नहीं है जिससे कि आपको only in one time you can get rid of your suntan. At least you have to patience for 3 days to 5 days. आप किसी भी रेमेडी की बात कर लें, you have to patience for 3 days to 7 days. So there's a lots of remedies out there if you're going to search on internet, but I will tell you 2 remedies. This can also work on suntan because it's works on me. So my first remedy is this tomato. So I will tell you 2 remedies, and first is so simple. What I does is once I'll come from outside and I feel like I got some suntan, and immediate I come back and I wash my face and I apply this tomato, because this is super easy and super flexible. You don't need to make a paste, prepare any paste. You just go to the fridge and you will take a tomato and cut this tomato and apply the affected area. This is not only for your face, you can apply to your knee, to your hands, to your foots, everywhere you got your suntan. So this is so simple, flexible, not too time consuming. So there's no taam jham. You have to make a paste, you have to prepare a paste, you have to apply that paste, nothing at all. So this is so simple remedy, and this always works, but this cannot work only in one time. You have to use at least 3 times, then it will definitely work. I'm completely honest person. I can't say that this can be work in one day, in one time. Sorry. And my second remedy is, which I don't have right now, but yeah, I will tell you, because I usually, if I thought I will get lots of suntan, then I apply that paste, which is, you have to take gram flour, you have to take lemon, you have to take turmeric powder, and if you want, then you can take little bit of honey. So mix all them together, make a paste, apply to your affected area. Leave the paste at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Then if they become dry, then go and wash your face with warm water. And yeah, you have to do this remedy again for at least 3 to 7 times, then you will see the result. Okay, so guys, in this video I'll have only 2 remedies. Actually I have a lots of remedies, but for this video only 2 remedies, guys. So guys, I hope you like this video and you like these remedies. Please apply them and you will definitely see the result, because it give result to me. So because of that, I thought I have to share with my friends also. So just apply this. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends who needs this remedies. So yes, for now I'm signing off, but until next, take care, bye bye.